Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic: the best foods to remove fat from your liver. Your liver is an absolute powerhouse, performing hundreds of vital functions every single day, from detoxifying your blood to metabolizing nutrients and producing bile to aid digestion. Modern lifestyles, particularly diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats, can put a significant strain on your liver, potentially leading to conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease or NAFLD. This condition, characterized by excess fat accumulation in liver cells, is becoming increasingly common, and it's a serious concern because it can progress to more severe liver damage if not addressed. The good news is that your diet plays a crucial role in liver health, and making smart food choices can significantly help manage and even reverse fat buildup in your liver. Instead, we're focusing on incorporating wholesome, nutrient-dense foods that support your liver's natural detoxification processes and help reduce fat accumulation. Think of it as providing your liver with the best possible tools to do its job effectively. When you nourish your body with the right ingredients, you're directly supporting one of its most critical organs. In this video, we're going to explore 5 fantastic food groups that research suggests are particularly beneficial for liver health. We'll delve into why they work, the science behind their benefits, and practical ways you can include them in your daily meals. We're talking about leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts, olive oil, and green tea, each with unique properties that can contribute to a healthier liver. So if you're looking to give your liver some love and support its function naturally, you're in the right place. Let's explore these amazing foods together and empower you to make informed choices for your well-being. 15. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are nutritional champions for liver health. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and chlorophyll, they aid in detoxification. Chlorophyll helps neutralize toxins, reducing liver burden. Antioxidants protect liver cells from damage. Glucosinolates in greens enhance detox enzymes, boosting liver efficiency and bile production. Incorporate more leafy greens for a healthier liver. Next on our list, we have fatty fish, including salmon, mackerel, sardines, trout, and herring. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce liver fat and inflammation. Omega-3s improve liver health by reducing fat accumulation and enhancing metabolism. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet can lead to a healthier liver. Moving on, let's talk about nuts. These nutritional powerhouses, often enjoyed as snacks or additions to meals, offer some remarkable benefits for liver health. And there's a growing body of scientific evidence to support this. When we discuss nuts in the context of liver health, varieties like walnuts, almonds, and Brazil nuts often come to the forefront due to their specific nutrient profiles. They are rich in unsaturated fatty acids, antioxidants like vitamin E, fiber, and various phytochemicals that collectively contribute to liver protection. Several observational studies and some clinical trials have investigated the link between nut consumption and NAFLD. For instance, research published in journals like The and The has indicated that higher nut intake is associated with a reduced prevalence and severity of NAFLD. One of the key mechanisms is thought to be the high content of vitamin E, particularly in almonds and sunflower seeds, those seeds often grouped with nuts nutritionally. Vitamin E is a potent fat-soluble antioxidant that helps protect cell membranes, including those of liver cells, from oxidative damage. Oxidative stress, as we've discussed, is a major culprit in the progression of liver disease. The liver is constantly battling toxins and metabolic byproducts, making it susceptible to free radical damage. The antioxidants in nuts, including vitamin E, selenium, especially high in Brazil nuts, and various polyphenols, help neutralize these free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative stress and inflammation within the liver. This protective effect can help prevent the transition from simple fatty liver to more advanced stages like NASH and fibrosis. Walnuts in particular have received considerable attention for their liver benefits. They are unique among nuts for their high content of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid, as well as compounds called L-argitannins, which are metabolized into urolithins by gut bacteria. Urolithins have demonstrated anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies suggest that walnut consumption can improve liver enzyme levels and reduce markers of inflammation in individuals with NAFLD. The combination of healthy fats, antioxidants, and fiber in walnuts makes them a strong contender for liver support. The healthy fats found in nuts, primarily monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, play a significant role. These fats can help improve overall lipid profiles by lowering LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides while potentially raising HDL, good cholesterol. 20. Our fourth featured food for liver health is olive oil, specifically extra virgin olive oil, or EVOO. This golden liquid is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, which has long been associated with numerous health benefits, including a lower risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, certain cancers, and importantly for our discussion, NAFLD. EVOO is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, MUFAs, primarily oleic acid, and it's packed with powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds like polyphenols. One of the primary ways extra virgin olive oil benefits the liver is by helping to reduce the accumulation of fat. The high content of oleic acid can influence fat metabolism in a positive way, potentially decreasing the synthesis of fats in the liver and promoting their breakdown. Studies have shown that diets enriched with EVOO can lead to a reduction in liver steatosis, fatty liver, and improve liver enzyme levels in individuals with NAFLD. This suggests that replacing other types of fats, particularly saturated and trans fats, with EVOO can be a beneficial strategy. The potent antioxidant properties of EVOO are also crucial for liver protection. Compounds like oleuropein, hydroxytyrosol, and tyrosol, which are abundant in high-quality extra virgin olive oil, help combat oxidative stress. As we've established, oxidative stress plays a significant role in liver cell damage and the progression of liver disease. By neutralizing free radicals, these polyphenols help protect liver cells, reduce inflammation, and support the liver's overall resilience against daily metabolic and environmental challenges. Inflammation is another key target for EVOO's benefits. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a hallmark of NAFLD and can lead to more severe liver damage. The polyphenols in extra virgin olive oil, particularly oleocanthal, have been shown to possess anti-inflammatory effects similar to those of ibuprofen, albeit at a different scale. By modulating inflammatory pathways, EVOO can help reduce liver inflammation, thereby protecting liver tissue and potentially slowing the progression of NAFLD to NASH. Incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your diet is quite simple and can significantly enhance the flavor of your meals. Use it as your primary cooking oil for sautéing vegetables or lean proteins at low to medium temperatures to preserve its beneficial compounds. It's excellent as a base for salad dressings mixed with lemon juice or vinegar. You can also drizzle it over cooked vegetables, soups, fish, or whole grain bread for added flavor and health benefits. 20. Let's discuss green tea. This ancient beverage is a potent source of compounds beneficial for liver health. Catechins, especially EGCG, are powerful antioxidants. They reduce oxidative stress and protect liver cells. Studies suggest green tea may reduce liver fat and improve enzyme levels. Enjoy 2 to 3 cups daily for liver health benefits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. See you next time. We've covered 5 incredible foods today: leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts, olive oil, and green tea, all of which can play a significant role in cleansing your liver naturally and reducing fat accumulation. Remember, supporting your liver isn't about extreme measures. It's about consistently incorporating these wholesome, nutrient-rich foods into a balanced diet. Each one brings unique benefits, from powerful antioxidants to healthy fats and anti-inflammatory compounds, all working synergistically to protect and support this vital organ. The journey to a healthier liver and indeed better overall health begins with small, sustainable changes. You don't have to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Perhaps start by adding a handful of spinach to your smoothie, swapping your usual cooking oil for extra virgin olive oil, or enjoying a cup of green tea in the afternoon. These simple steps, when practiced consistently, can make a profound difference over time. Listen to your body. Enjoy the process of nourishing yourself with good food, and remember that every healthy choice you make is an investment in your long-term well-being. Finally, while these foods are incredibly beneficial, it's always important to remember that dietary changes should be part of a holistic approach to health, which also includes regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and stress management. If you have any existing liver conditions, concerns about your liver health, or are considering significant dietary changes, please consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice tailored to your specific needs and health status. Your health is your most valuable asset, so take proactive steps to care for it.